question. Is there a deeper meaning behind when Avraham and Isaac both pretend that their wives were their sisters because it was repeated?
Is it a deeper meaning? Of course. I mean, there are many explanations of this being a sister. So, and it's very confusing. Why, if Abraham had such a great faith in HaShem, how would he say that she's my sister? Like even 2 times in a row. Like you normal, why would you do so? So especially after it says in the Torah, so he said, now I know that you're such a beautiful person. Yeah, right, to the Sarah. And he knows that they go to the lowest of the lowest place in the world, right? With adultery is a standard in that country, in Egypt, right? And people swarmy, as Rashi put it, right? They're not like, whether they were like dark skin or like I don't know, small, like I don't know, like midgets. I'm not sure what was it, but not so comparing to Sarah, they were like monkeys. All right. So he said it because this tzaddik had a great faith in HaShem, that HaShem is going to protect him. How? That's HaShem business, but he would do like a shtadlus, like his efforts in natural way. He did not, in some sense, he did not rely on a miracle. So I'm going to say that she's my sister. And one of the explanations that I heard from Rabbi Mizrachi Shlita a long time ago, many years ago, it's very interesting. So he said that since he would say she's my sister, I can ask from another side any amount of money. So I can say, okay, you want to marry my sister, this is no problem, but you have to pay me $10 million. So people, $10 million, I can buy this many wives for $10 million. So go away. You understand? So that's one of the explanations. That was his thing, right? So people would refuse to pay such amount of money and leave them alone. But these Egyptians, they did not even ask him; they just grabbed Sarah and went. You understand? So, in some sense, some commentators say it's because of the lack of Emunah of Avraham. They say that people are going to kill me on one hand. On the other hand, we're not allowed to count on miracles. HaShem is going to perform miracles if He wants to, right? But it should not be like we have to like count that I'm going to go to the dangerous place and HaShem is going to protect me. Why? Because I'm such a tzaddik, I learned so much Torah. No, we're not allowed to. If HaShem would want to protect us, He was going to protect. If not, we're going to be counted as we took our lives, right? If we go to the dangerous place and something happened to us, it's not because HaShem said that this person has to die in this year. No, we put ourselves, if you jump from the roof and kill yourself, Chas v'shalom, so the person would be judged as a killer, as he killed himself.